Hello. So in today's video, we're going to discuss about how to get Instagram followers through Facebook ads. So basically, there are two ways to do this. Number one is you can do this through your Instagram account, and another one is like you can do this through your Facebook ad account. So basically, I have tested this for my clients, and the results that we got were almost the same. But through this strategy, through Ads Manager, you get more control, more authority, and you have a lot of more options in terms of like targeting, selecting demographics, and rest of the criteria. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen and see how we can do this. So first of all, you need to go to your Ads Manager. And if you do not know how to create Business Manager, Ads Manager, I have created another video. I will attach a link of that in the description so you can go and watch it. Then after that, once you are on your ad account, you can click on create and you need to select traffic objective. For the purpose of this video, we're going to proceed with manual traffic campaign. And once we are over here, we're going to change the name of the campaign. So it should be easier for us to understand what we are actually doing in this campaign. So we have added the name. Then after that, we're going to proceed at the ad set level. So this is the campaign level, this is the ad set level, and this is the ad level. Then once we are at the ad set level, we're going to see 5 options over here: website, app, message destination, Instagram, or Facebook calls. So we're going to send, as we discussed, we're going to send traffic to our Instagram account. So it's totally understood that we need to click on Instagram or Facebook. And once we selected, Meta has already showed that maximum number of Instagram profile visit. That's what we actually want. So then after that, we want to change the page over here. We will select the correct page that we want to advertise on. We're going to select our testing page that we have already created. Then after that, we want to see the settings looks okay. So we have selected Instagram or Facebook, and we have selected Instagram over here, right? As you can see, we haven't selected Facebook because we only want to get Instagram followers. We do not want like Facebook page campaign, Facebook page followers. Then over here is bid control. So I suggest you should leave as it is. Once you are just starting out, once you become proficient with it or efficient with it, then after, and you know, like my per Instagram profile visit costs me, like for example 0.20 cents or 0.50 cents. Then after that, you're gonna put bid control over here. But once you are just starting out, I do not recommend you should uh, limit Facebook or Meta to by bid. You should leave it as it is and do not enter over here. Then we're gonna add our budget over here. You can start pretty small. We can start maybe like $5 a day just to see like what's working for us and what doesn't working for us. Then on the way we will optimize our campaign as per the data that we have in terms of like age, gender, demographics, time, location, and rest of the criteria that we want. Then after that, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and see the rest of the settings are okay. So you can change the location from here as well. So if I want to target the people living in United States, I can select people living in United States. And if you want further narrow down, to your audience, then you can do that. So for example, I want to target people. I want followers of a specific area who are living in United States. For example, if I want people living in Michigan, then I will simply type Michigan, and it will only show my ad to people who are living in this location, and I will get followers of this specific area that I have selected over here. Then it's up to you if you want to select like these people more likely to respond your ad. It's up to you. I do not click on it most of the time. And after that, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and over here we can see like audience suggestions. This one is optional, and we can also switch to original audience options. So since we are just starting out, I am assuming, and you do not know like what my target audience is, and you do not want to give control to Meta's AI because it will spend your money without knowing who is your target audience. So I would recommend once you are starting out, you should give clear and smooth directions to Meta. All right, like this is my target audience, and I want you to find people similar to this type of audiences. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some sort of interest over here. So
let's say I want to target people who are interested in like Google, right? So as you can see, we can see Google as an interest over here. And I also want to target people who are interested in like Facebook, social media, Instagram, social, YouTube, live streaming.
So it will be different for you, right? I'm just giving an example over here. Like I want to target people who are interested in Facebook, Google, Instagram. But you can add like people who are interested in like digital marketing, right? So if you are promoting a course or or you are promoting uh, a learning pattern over here, so you can obviously select digital marketing over here. So hope you get the idea. It's a common sense thing. Then after that we will leave rest of the setting as it is. Advantage plus placement. That's what is recommended. Once you have that data, then you can, go to breakdown section in Ads Manager, and over there you can see that, all right, I'm getting the traffic from this source and this placement. Then on your next campaign, you can, add those changes and make your campaign accordingly as per the data that you get. So hope you get the idea. This is the ad set level that we have selected. Let me repeat it again. We have selected the traffic objective at the campaign level. At the ad set level, we have selected Instagram or Facebook.
And we have selected only Instagram. We haven't selected Facebook because we only want to send traffic to our Instagram account. And then after that, we have added the budget over here. And after that, we have added a specific area to which we only want the followers from. And if we scroll down a little bit, we left gender as it is, we left age as it is, and we have added specific interest as per our business in the interest section. So we want to give a clear and smooth direction to Meta's. All right, like this is my target audience, and I want you to get the followers to me similar to these profiles or people who have shown interest in these categories. Then after that, we will proceed at the added level. So this is self-explanatory. This is pretty easy. We have discussed this a lot of time in our previous videos. So what you need to do, you need to click on image. We will add the creative over here. So for example, I selected this creative.
We proceed. And over here, you can add the text as per your business. You can add the description as per your business needs. And after that, as you can see, we have a visible call to action over here, which is visit Instagram profile, which we have already selected at the accept. And rest of the settings are, we leave them as it is. So yeah, hope you get the idea. This is the best practice that we follow in our team on a day-to-day basis, and we get a lot, very good response to this. So yeah, hope you get the idea. If you find any value in this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and it will be really motivate me, make continuous views for you guys. So yeah, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.